So guys, this is how to create a Facebook page. It's very simple. Okay, so let's start. Once you open your Facebook, you click on these three dots. You click on page. Let's look for page. You click on pages. This is the simple way. Just follow the video step by step. It is very simple. So here you can see create. You click on create. So this is the best way to create a good page, a standard page from Facebook that I can use for monetization and other stuff. Okay, you click on get started. So what is the page name? Okay, for example, this is a tutorial video. Let's use trending updates 1. This is the name of my page. I click on next. The video is very simple. So here you can search for categories. How do you mean by searching for categories? For example, if you are a makeup artist, so here in this category you look for makeup artist. You can select. Maybe if you're into beauty, or you can select on health and beauty. If you're a comedian, just select any of your choice. It means that if someone is looking for makeup artist, if somebody is searching for makeup artist page, your own page will be suggested to the person. So that's what we mean. Okay, you click on create. They're saying that I've created too much pages. But it's very simple. This is the normal way. I've used this account to create too many pages on my phone. Okay, once you click on page, what's the next thing? They will ask you to put your profile picture and every other thing. That's the only way to create Facebook. It's not too difficult. If I click here now, the page will be created. So the next thing is to upload your profile picture. I've tried to teach this tutorial, but I have too many pages. I have up to 3 pages. So, and I don't want to open another Facebook account. So I would like you to consider by subscribing to my channel, Asamoski Tutorial Class. Like this video and share to other people. Okay, so let's go back.